This is a part of the interview which is given to MBA Universe. So I'm taking a part of that which we need to understand for us to understand what is going to happen now. So in the interview, I am Indore director have confirmed that CAT is happening as per the mode which was connected earlier. So let's try to understand this thing. As far as the mode is concerned, CAT 22 is being planned in a similar to previous year. So CAT will happen same online from the center. You have to visit a center to give the exam online. The plan will be revised and modified if required at the later stage. So they're also willing to be ready, which obviously they have to do that depending on number of cases in India. Today, India have touched 40,000 cases per day. In US, where anyway people follow social distances, we have 70 to 60,000 cases per day. So even I personally feel the number of cases might go up in India as well. So looking at that scenario, the things might change or modified as per the new plan. So CAT will go online, CAT will happen, whichever way it will be conducted, it will be conducted. So as a student, maths, verbal, logic question will not change. So if you think that pattern is going to change, yes, it might change depending on the requirement, but I doubt that. So what are the proposed dates? So currently being planned in the last week of November. Everything is as per plan. The testing mode is planned to remain same as last year. CAT website will go live sometime next month. So August, we are expecting the CAT website to go live. Last year, August 7 was when the notification started. July 29 was the date of the when the official notification came in the newspaper, and August 7 when the actual form started. So this year they are planning it to do it in August. So August is a key month to look at when they will be planned. So CAT will happen online or not, we are still not clear on whether you can give it from home or not. So all these things depend upon how coronavirus situation behaves in the coming month. So what is coming confirmed now as of now is August is when the forms are coming, where the website will be updated. August. Exam is happening in November as per plan, November 29th, and they are ready to do all the changes if required at the later stage. One of my students have sent me a video of some coaching institute. CAT will change, CAT everything's gonna change. Please don't get into all those kind of rumors. Nothing is confirmed as of now. As of now, the only thing which is confirmed is yes, CAT is happening on November 29th, and if God permit, if things go as per planned, if coronavirus cases goes down, we'll be going to the center and giving the exam. Otherwise, CAT might happen online. So this is the information we have so far. So that's all we should stick to. So this is as per the interview with the director of IIM Indore. So please start your preparations. Those who already started the preparation, time to pull up your socks. Try to increase the number of hours so that we can sail through the exam in this bad phase. Despite all the challenges. आप उनके बारे में सोचो यार. If they are conducting the exam despite all these things, why can't we study? So CAT will happen online, whichever way are. The maths का question is not going to change for you. You have to prepare for maths, verbal, logic. तो वो आप टेंशन उन पे छोड़ो. Let them worry about that part. Let IIMs worry about their part, how to conduct the exam. Let us worry about our part, how to give that exam or how to take the exam. So let's worry about our part. Let's prepare for that. So I think that's a major news which is coming, the new update which is coming here, that everything is happening as per plan. All the best. So launching a program at CET King. In case you want to join our program, you can click on the link here, or you can just call the team in the numbers given in the description box. So let's start with the preparation for CAT and CET, and let's rock in the exams. Alright, all the best. Thank you.